In this video, I will show you how you can lock apps on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just open Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. On this page, just tap on More Security Settings. Now over here, you will find the option for Secure Folder. Now just tap on it, then tap on More. Tap on Continue. Now just wait for a couple of seconds so you could set up Secure Folder on your phone. From here, just create a lock method for your secure folder. You can either select the PIN, the password, or the pattern, or you can select the fingerprint biometric option over here. I'll select the pattern. Now just create a pattern for your secure folder. Then tap on Continue. Now just create your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Then tap on Confirm and select Allow. Then tap on Next. Tap on More and tap on Done. And as you can see, we have successfully created the secure folder on our Samsung phone. Now after you create the secure folder, now the next step is just open the secure folder and tap on the plus icon over here. Now from this app list, just select the app which you want to lock. Now for example, I'll select these apps. Now after you select the apps which you want to lock, then tap on Add. Now from here, just tap and hold on the apps which we have locked and select Add to Home Screen. Tap on Add. Now after you do that, you will create a shortcut of the locked app on the home screen, and you will find the original app in the app drawer. And from here, you can use the duplicated app and you can delete the original from your phone, or you can keep the original in the app drawer and you can leave the duplicated one in the home screen and you can use it instead of the original app. Now this was the first method, but if you want to lock apps on your phone without creating clones of that app, then in that case, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. From here, just select this app and tap on Install. Then tap on Open. Tap on Get Started. Then tap on Continue. Now just tap on Allow Usage Access and enable this toggle. Tap on Continue. Now just create a PIN for this app. Then tap on Set. Now just enter the PIN one more time to confirm the PIN. Then tap on Confirm. Now if you want to enable the fingerprint biometrics to unlock your apps, you can tap on Enable. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Tap on Take Me to Settings. From here, just enable the toggle for App Lock Pro. And after you do that, you will complete the setup process. Now from here, just tap on Allow and tap on OK. Now on this page, under the Unlock section, just tap on the lock icon over here in front of the app which you want to lock. For example, if I want to lock both of the camera apps, so I'll just tap on the lock icon over here. So I'll be able to lock the selected apps. Now if we go to the locked section, we will find all the apps which have been locked on our phone. And if you want to lock a specific app, just tap on the lock icon and select Unlock. Just like that. Now, if we go to the home screen and if we try to open any app which we have locked, as you can see, it will ask us to enter the password which we have created. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.